Hello students, in this video we see how to connect three LEDs in parallel. These are the required component. The first component is breadboard, second is jumper wire, then resistor, three LEDs, one battery cap and one battery. To connect three LEDs in parallel, first connect one LED on breadboard. First see, this LED has two legs, one is positive and one is negative. Then connect this first LED on breadboard in a separate row. For parallel connection, connect second LED positive leg with first LED positive leg and second LED's negative leg with second LED negative leg in a same rail like this. After that, take third LED and see it also has two terminals, positive and negative. Then connect its positive leg with the positive leg of these two LEDs and negative leg with negative leg of these two LEDs in same rail. Okay. See, these three LEDs are connected in parallel. After that, take one resistor and connect its one terminal with positive terminal of LEDs and another terminal is free. Then after that, take one jumper wire and connect the free terminal of a resistor with positive rail of breadboard, and the negative terminals of LEDs are connected to the negative rail of breadboard by using another jumper wire. See these connections. After that, take battery cap and battery and connect the battery cap with battery, the positive terminal with positive and negative with negative. In the battery, the red wire is positive and black wire is negative. Then connect the positive terminal with positive rail of breadboard and negative terminal of battery with negative rail of breadboard, and see these three LEDs are glowing or on. Thank you.